What's up, everybody? What's going on? Hopefully, you all had a good trading day and you learned something and you're paying attention to details because I know I was not paying attention to details. And I'll explain in this video very raw why I lost because I actually took a long position here because thinking that this is demand, this zone, all of it here is demand. And I made the mistake because I did not pay attention to details. So let's get into it, not make it a long video, real quickly. So if we go back to the, October 25th, we had this push down right here. Confirmation that this is a move to the upside because the next candle, high volume right here. And we kept on rising, but as we were rising, volume is increasing. Reaction has still not pushed it down. We got a push down right here, but volume came back in, pushed it back up. And we got this next candle. The only issues with this is we did not get anything to imply that there is going to be a sell. So big issue with that right there. And then you can see as we kept on rising over here, for example, you're getting big body candles form with volume and closes above. So as long as it's big body forming candles, it's still an indication of buying. And this is where I made the mistake. The thing is where is it coming up to? It came up to right here, which is a big time heavy supply zone, and I did not pay attention to that because if you look previously on October 23rd, there was a big sell-off over here, and we came up to that level again, to this zone right here. We could not break it here, push down, clear indication that there's a lot of heavy selling because look at this volume with big body candles and a confirmation. And then you come here, you get pushed up, and right now I guess we're in distribution phase, which I completely miss because I was not paying attention to details. We came back up here again, volume decreased, nothing crazy, but we couldn't break up. And you can see we're starting to come down. Time is not great. We come here in the middle of the night, it's pushing up very slowly. You can see right here, for example, there's no volume. The only indication that there was is time to start selling was this candle right here. It attempted to break, it could not. Market makers, smart money came in and just said, that's enough, we're done. Then the confirmation candle right here, coming down, close below. Then it just tanked, made a big mistake. But, you gotta learn from your mistakes and you need to move on. That is the key. The thing is it would have been good to look back in the details and see what was happening. As we rise, push down, rise, push down, rise, push down, rise, push down. This big wedge right here, and it pushed down heavily, because when we're rising slow. Nothing like selling. Selling is heavy. Selling heavy. Selling heavy. Push up slow, heavy. Push up slow, heavy sell. Push up slow, heavy sell. Push up slow, heavy sell. Heavy sell. You see that? Push up slow. Look at my, look at my cursor, how it's going up. And then look at the sell. 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 See that? Push up, slow, sell. Push up, slow, sell. And then we had this right here. Choppiness. All this choppiness right here. Made the biggest mistake. It's fine though. And volume was showing it all day. It was showing it very, very clear that there was more selling than buying going on. So as of right now, I still see that there's still more selling. The only thing is we're looking back to this area right here. This might be a heavy, very, very heavy demand zone. It might. As of right now, what I see is it is a heavy demand zone. The only issue with this is it's a very choppy demand zone. There was no quick reaction to the upside. Usually if this is gonna be the zone that it's trying to reach to, reverse back up, you would have seen some kind of spring action, what they call in VSA, where you'll see like a very heavy push down, and then automatically that same candle or even the next candle, you'll get an engulfing candle or you get a big hammer candle, pushing up. So I did not see that here. So I don't know how strong this is right now. Only time will tell if we get to this level. Right now, so my outlook is for going into Friday, because it's Friday, it's going to be a low liquid market. So what I will do is come here and I will show you. I'll draw out my fib because I'm looking to sell. I'm not looking to buy this. Even though we had all this right here. Did you see this right here? The only issue with this is that this is news. So this is a push up with news, but the reaction came back down. We're still selling, still a lot of selling going on. It's not really clear that we are coming into a buy zone. So nothing looking like long. So what I'm looking for is if we can get a no demand happen in this area right here. I called one out early over here, but we had choppiness. It did happen right here. Called it out, no demand right here. Came down, but still, I guess time of day didn't help it push more. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And again, guys, I learn it the same way as you guys learn. No difference. I'm not some kind of, genius or anything like that. This is me being as raw as possible to you guys and as upfront. And peace out.